Ever dreamed of making money while sleeping? Yes, you heard us that award in 2025 is actually possible to earn money passively without trading your times for dollars every days. In this video, I am sharing a 5 legged passive income ideas that are working in the US. And the best part, you can start most of this no investment. Stay with me till the end because the last one can literally making a thousands every month if you're a consistency. Hi everyone, I am Mansu, and on this channels we talk about a real way to build a passive incomes and financial freedom side hustles. If you trade off a 9 to 5, great. Just want to create an extra cash flow, this video is for you. First, a high yield saving CST. Let's start a simple high yield savings account CDS. In 2025, bank like a Sophie and Ali and the Capitals One are offering more than a 4.5% interest annually. That means if you put $10,000 into one of this account, you could earn $450 a year doing absolutely nothing. You don't need money for a while. Consider a certificate deposit. They lock your money in the put, offer slightly higher return. Not life changing, but it's the safest passive income source for beginners, especially in you just parking emergency fund somewhere better. Second, dividend stock and ETS. Now, if you want your money to work harder, let's talk about a dividend paying stock. Companies like Coca-Cola and AT&T and Johnson & Johnson's actually pay your cash just for holding their shares. You can also invest in ETFs like a VIG and SCHD. This bundle handle multiple dividends paying companies into one invest. On average, you can earn a 2 to 4% annually, and that of 5 before. That's before stock values give up. Imagine putting a $20,000, that around $800 per year. Passively, if you reinvest the dividend, it grow even faster. Third, print on demands. Here are fun and creatives. One, print on demands. You upload a cool designs like site Redbubble, Teespring, Marks by Amazon, and they take care of the rest: printing, shipping, and customer service. People buy your shirt, hoodies, mugs, and you get paid every time. Even if you're not a designer, you can use a Canva or even AI tools to create simple graphics. Some pupils are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month with just a 10 to 20 good designs. For the sales, ebook and Amazon KDP got a knowledge about some this. Whether if you cooking, fitness, side hustles, printing, turn that into an ebooks and publishing in on Amazon KDP, direct Kindle publishing. You don't need to be a great writers either. You can use like AI tools like a ChatGPT and help outline and even draft. And once it's on an Amazon, then handles the rest: delivery, payment, marketing. You just collect a royalty check every month. People are earning $500 to $5,000 a month from ebooks that wrote years ago. Fifth, I start a YouTube automation channels. Okay, this is the one my personal favorite, and YouTube automation channels. This means starting a faceless YouTube channel where you use a voiceovers, stock footages, and never even show your face. You pick a niche like a finance, motivation, side hustles, remote jobs. AI tools. Use tools like ChatGPT to write a script and stock videos from a pixels, stock blogs, and AI voice like ML Labs. Once I start getting views, YouTube pay you through AdSense, and plus you added a affiliate link, of brand deals, and detailed product sales. Some channels are making a $5,000 to $50,000 per month, and their creators even appear on screens. It take effort to build, but once it take off, it's one of the most sellable passive income machines out them. So these are 5 passive income ideas that are working in the US right now, and they can literally make money you while you sleep. Quick recap: first, high yield savings; second, dividend stock; third, print on demand; fourth, ebook writing, ebook selling; and fifth, YouTube automation channels. Start with just one, master it, then sales or stock another. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor: hit the like button and subscribe for more real passive income ideas online business, and let me know comments which one are you going to try first. Thank you watching videos, and remember, build once, ever, forever. See you in the next one.